Reach in your refrigerator, check out your sour cream. Newton's Hampshire sour cream has 10 milligrams of sodium for 2 tablespoons. Chances are, what you got in your refrigerator has 65. And we think, oh well, 65 is not that much. I don't use that much sour cream. But half a cup is 40. Half a cup of the other has 260. 1 cup, 80. 1 cup of the other, 520. We have to be label readers. Use this one, put it in your casseroles, chicken enchiladas, wherever you use sour cream. Whatever we can do to cut back and keep the flavor, that's what we need to do. Going out to dinner, and you think, I think I'll have a baked potato. Normally, you order it with sour cream. Here's a tablespoon. And it's level. When you level like this, 2 of them has 65. Most of the time, when you go to a restaurant, you ask for sour cream, it's got more than 2 on it. Stick some in a little container and take it with you. When we go out to eat, and it's someplace that we were going to get French fries, I take my no salt added Heinz ketchup, 10 milligrams per tablespoon. The other has 165. Granddaughter works at Applebee's. And I was talking to Bailey one day and I said, I just wonder how many people go home and say, oh, you should have seen what I did. Lady came into Applebee's and when she left, she took the whole bottle of ketchup, stuck it in her purse and walked out the door. And Bailey laughed. She said, Grandma, you'd be surprised at what people bring. They bring their own crackers, salad dressing, all kinds of stuff. And we don't care. We want them to come back. We don't have everything that everybody wants. If they've got to bring something, makes them where they can eat with us, we have no problem. So, think about that when you start to go out to dinner next time.